Hello guys, just got my a portable washer. The first one was the too small one I got. I had to send it back, and this one's the right one. I didn't open it yet. It's the 3500 series, the new one. I'm gonna open it right now in front of you guys. Okay, I'm gonna set this camera right there and get a knife. Look at that baby. Anything? Well, see if I can pick it up. Oh, I got little handles on the side. Wow, check that out. You know what I'm saying? Very good. Got a drain hose. Look at that. Got a drain hose right there. Yep, it's the one I wanted. Heard some good things. There's your lint tray. Your lint tray right there. You know? Now I just gotta figure out if I want to put it in the bathroom or in the kitchen. I think I'm gonna put it in the kitchen, more room in the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? Very nice. Oh, I got a drain thing there. I got it right there. Got some more instructions in there. First time for an apartment. I usually go to a laundromat, but this time I'm doing it my own. Saving money. You know what I'm saying? Yep, I'm gonna save money this time and I'm gonna do it on my own. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. I'm gonna see how I set it up now.